Hi everyone, this is Niyati, co-founder of MT Quant. Gaining a competitive advantage is critical in ever-changing world of an option trading, right? Where fortune are created and lost even in a blink of an eye. For any trader, the holy grail is a trading method that stands the test of a time and produces consistent gains. Backtesting is a secret weapon employed by traders. It ensures you capture frequent changes in the premium or Greeks, leading to more accurate strategy assessment. So, we are excited to introduce Quant, a cutting edge, tick based backtesting platform built to empower traders like you to meet rigorous demands of modern trading. But Quant is available for trading clients of Master Trust Broker only. So, you need to be an active account holder of Master Trust in order to use Quant for backtesting. Pentagon not just offers a versatile analytics platform alone, but handles many complexity which you use with your daily live executions, which make us different from rest as you have more flexibility to handle complex oriented functionalities, which has always been a trader's desire, right? MTQuant is a desktop based application. Now I'll quickly showcase you how you can download the exe setup of MT Quant from Master Trust website. The website link, I'll post it on the description box, so do check it out. So this is the link from where you can download the exe setup of MT Quant. Just click on the view more, scroll down, and from here download now button, just click on it. It has been downloaded, just click on it. Now double click on the setup file. I agree to the license terms and conditions. Click on install. Yes. Setup is in progress. Click on next button. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Go through it. Click on the next button. Next. Install. Finish. Now, as you can see that installation has been successfully completed. Just click on the close button and go to your desktop, and here you will find the empty quant icon. Just click on it. So by double clicking on the empty quant icon, this login window will come in front of you. There you can create your account by clicking on the create account button. Okay, so therein just fill your preferred user ID, email, password, and state, city, master trust, client ID, because this is available only for the master trust clients on the subscription basis, right? So you need to enter master trust client ID. Login password will be sent over your mobile number mentioned here. So please enter a valid mobile and the email address. Your user ID will be activated only after the verification of master trust client ID details and payment of the subscription charges. For any issues, you can contact us over the Telegram, that is at the rate mtquantbt, and email us mtquant@mastertrust.co.in. And just click on the I agree for the license agreement and register yourself.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.